I request everyone to copy the problem, pause this and copy the problem. I will write down the given data. The number of workers are 50 in March 2000. So 2000 is not a value, it is year. Don't use that in calculation. The next given data is the material cost is 1 lakh rupees. This is the first given data. Second given data is the wage rate is 6 rupees are paid per hour to a single worker. Third given data is they are working 8 hours per day. And the fourth given data is in a month they are having 6 holidays, means 6 non-working days. The next given data is overhead expenses are 50,000 rupees. The overtime is 200 hours in that particular 1 month. And the wages for that overtime is 10 rupees per hour. Normally it is 6 rupees, but for overtime they are paying extra, that is 10 rupees per hour. So in this particular problem, what we have to find out the total cost. And man hour rate, means for that man hour rate is for overhead expenses. They are saying overhead expenses, keep this in mind, man hour rate for overhead expenses. So let's start the problem. The first, in a March month 31 days are there and 6 holidays they have given. So 31 minus 6, you will get 25 days as a working days. So in this 25 days the workers are working 8 hours per day and total number of workers are 50. So we can get multiplying that number of hours, number of days and number of workers, the total man hour available in that particular month. So 25 into 8 into the workers are 50. So totally we are having 10,000 hours in that month. So total working hours are 10,000 hours and you are paying 6 rupees. So 10,000 into 6. So in that particular month you are paying 60,000 rupees for those workers, 50 workers. Then next find out the overtime cost. So 200 hours working, all 50 men together they are working 200 hours. So into 200 you have to multiply, the wage rate is 10 rupees. So you will get, you are going to pay 2000 rupees for that overtime for that particular month. So if we add that 60,000 labor cost plus this overtime cost, we will get total labor cost in that month of March. Now find out the total cost. So they have not given any extra data, so directly we can find out material cost plus labor cost plus overhead expenses they have given. So material cost is 1 lakh rupees, labor cost is 62,000 rupees, and overhead expenses are 50,000 rupees. So add this. After adding this, we will get value of 2,12,000 rupees. Now find out the number of total hours, means normal hours plus overtime. So normal hours we have got already 10,000 and overtime is 200 hours. So add both, so that is 10,200 hours. So in the problem they have asked a man hour rate on depend upon overhead, not on total cost. Overhead they have asked us. Overhead is 50,000 divided by number of man hours, that is 50,000 divided by 10,200. So we will get value of 4.9 rupees per man you have paid in that particular